Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be making my version of Jersey Mike number 8, or should I say aka Club Sub, with my peppered relish, y'all. Round of applause for this recipe that y'all about to get. Now if you seen on the previous video, well you probably did see it because you probably didn't watch it. How peppered relish I made, y'all. I have my multi-grain hoagie. Now, if you hear this noise in the background, just know I don't care. They decided to mow this yard right now. This gonna stop me from doing this voiceover, and not. The show must go on. Now, as I was saying before, I was really interrupted. Them blades. You feel me? I have my bread and butter pickles. You already know if you watch my channel. I got that oregano as well. You can't have that so I no oregano. And I have peppercorn. Melange, you see what it is, peppercorn, y'all. I have 2 types of turkey meat, the smoked kind, and I think the other one is just the regular honey, bourbon honey, or something like that. They both sweet, y'all. Just one smoky. And this is the cheese I will be using. I have my slice of the cheddar, but I also have just a little bit of the Italian cheese, the shredded kind. I have my olive oil, my mayo, not to mention that it's still vinegar. So that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Now I have my bread. I cut that in half because I ain't gonna use that whole one. Now Publix opened up their bread a little bit, you know, like a par, but however, Jersey Mike split that all the way down the middle, and that's exactly what I did. Now this is optional, but I wanted to put like a little cheese melted on the top of the first bun, so I'm gonna drizzle it with the olive oil, then sprinkle some little oregano on it, and then that's when I'm gonna take out my little Italian cheese blend and sprinkle that a little bit on top of it. Just go ahead and melt it in the oven. Okay, I took it out of the oven. You can't really see it because I have it flipped over. However, I did go ahead and butter it with mayo on both sides. And I also have my bacon. I forgot to mention it earlier because, yeah, I don't think I had to took it out. I got to take it out now. And also, too, you see what I put on the bread? I have a cap full of that vinegar. I'm just going ahead and put it on that bread as well. Now, I know you ain't think that was all the oregano I was going to use. Because see how y'all sprinkle on some more and did? Now I'm put on that peppered relish that I made, y'all. Y'all see it? Now, usually with Jersey Mike, when I see people put it on there, they put like a little skimpy little bit. Also, they give you a little bit extra, I guess, on the side. But I ain't even be skimpy with mine on top of it. And I'm going to have some on side. And in case you didn't know, both breads will be buttered with that as well. So now I'm going to put on my cheddar cheese. And I'm going to just fold that in half and split it and put it on both breads because 2 for 1. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit on the meat, the bacon, and then chop it off with some more meat. And here I go, just overdoing it like always. Because, yeah, I had to readjust it because that was too much on that little bun. Oh, I keep saying bun, y'all. Hoagie sub roll. And I topped it off with my peppercorn. Well, excuse me. I guess I ain't done topping it off. Because I can't forget about those pickles. After readjusting it, y'all, this is how it look, y'all. It's like a real thing, don't it? Just call me Jersey Keisha. Mikey little sister. Ain't no loss when you got the extra sauce. And that's what I have right here, baby. I know when establishments see me, they be a little skeptical. Because I be crushing their recipes. Red pepper flakes. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, you see it? Did I see also? For real. Now the bread was sturdy. Oh my goodness. The not pepper flakes. Well, the pepper relish. Oh my goodness. Like it added like a sweet and spicy feel. Now the regular Jersey Mike, if you've seen that video of mine, that was so delicious. And I didn't even have the pepper relish. Imagine if I did have it. However, just to get on mine, when I tell you, hands down, I did that. Now I can't say mine is better or theirs is better. It's pretty much the same. It's given the same to me. But like I said, I can't really say it for sure because I never had their pepper relish yet. However, I'm going to get to it whenever I can, the Lord's will. But yeah, as far as the sandwich, this sandwich is so good, hands down. Yeah, you know I had to put that extra sauce on top of it. So delicious. Delicioso. And I'm going to say it again. Oh, you looking like you have wanted something. And I got that recipe for you. Now, I don't mind sharing, but why have mine when you can have yours? Just go ahead and follow this recipe out. Good, just like I thought it would. 10. 10 all day, baby. Hit this recipe up. Have a blessed day.